Hi guys, my name is Anjali Sharma. On my today's tutorial, I will be covering Python string method. All of them is returning true or false. As I have written like is alphanumeric method, it contains A to Z, that is capital letter, and A to Z, that is small, and 0 to 9 digit. All are the alphanumeric. If our input is containing these characters, so it will return true or it will return false. Now let's start and run the code. I have given the input as Anjali, so all characters are alphabetic. It is returning true. Okay, and if I give 0, 1, 0, 2 and 3, it will return true because it is also alphanumeric characters. If we'll give any special symbol like this hash and @7 8, it will return false because it is containing a special symbol which is not alphanumeric character. Okay, now let's move to each digit method. It will return true if all characters are digit, otherwise it will return false. Let's run it. Yeah, so I'm giving the like hash 3 4, it will return false because it is containing one hash. Okay, again we run and we'll give the numeric value, it will return true. So that is how the isdigit method works. Now let's move to islower method. It will return true if all characters are lower, otherwise it will return false. Now let's start and run it. R T Y, all characters are in lower letter, it will return true. Okay, and if I'm giving any caps letter, it will return false because it is in capital, that's why it is returning the false. Now let's move to upper. Is upper method return true or false? If all characters are upper, then it will return true, or else it will return false. Now let's start and run it. It is returning true because all characters in this string are in upper letter, in uppercase. Now this is return false. Okay, if we give small, also it will return false. So that is how the is upper method works. Now let's move and we'll see isspace method. This method is also returning true or false if all characters in the string are white space. Okay, let's run it. We are making the space. It will return true because it is taking the string as a space. Run it again. Yeah. There is leading and trailing space. In that case, it will return false because it is telling that it doesn't have the space. So that's why it is returning the false because as the method definition is like it return true if all characters in string are white space, otherwise it will return false. Next, move to istitle. So istitle, it will return true if all words in text start with uppercase letter and rest of letter are lowercase, otherwise it will return false. Now let's start and run it. Java is oops Java, just give the Java each. Okay, it will return, yeah, and click on enter. It will return true because there are two words and the first characters are it is in uppercase, that's why it is returning true. Let's assume we are giving any other thing like G, then give just any input if you want. It is returning the false. So that's why isTitle method works. That's all from today's tutorial, guys. We'll meet next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.